So we've got a messy piece here. We've got some 1-inch bar stock. It's been worked a little bit, but we need to go ahead and true this up so that we've got our Z0 and our X0 on tool 1. So on my control page here, I'm off the touch tool under offsets, and I've got tool 1 listed. I can see down here that tool 1 is entered. And I'm going to go ahead and spin this at about 1500 RPM. I'm going to do a 1% jog just to make sure that I'm not going too terribly fast. Everything else will be set at its normal settings. And then we'll go to the main page. Now from the main page, you can see we've been moving all over the place, but we need to go ahead and figure out our Z0s and our X0s. So let's go ahead and do our spin. And we will just take our jog. Again, I'm going to use the arrow key. I'll take that all the way to the center. Then I'll go ahead and back out. I like to do it just slow, just to make sure I'm not dragging anything hard against it. It's more cautionary, especially for students. Now I won't move anything in Z. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to move back. I can go ahead and stop the machine. And I'm going to reset my 0 by clicking on the little Z work offset. And now I've got 0 set for tool 1. The next thing we need to do is our outside diameter. So we're going to go ahead and clip on that. All right, in order to better see, a lot of times I like to just brush things off. And then I can see my tool tip. And now I'm ready to go ahead and start setting up for my X diameter. All right, X diameter, we're going to go ahead and face this off just a little bit so that we can get an accurate reading and double check our diameter. So again, I'm going to use my arrow keys. I want enough space so that the micrometer will fit there. Take this back. And again, I'm not going to do anything other than just Z. Now that I'm safe, I can go ahead and do rapid. We'll go ahead and shut that off. And let's take a measurement. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn this on. We'll come in here. Find our measurement. I don't like to go right on the edge, but that's just me. I like to get away from the edge. Double check this. I'm at 0.9899. 0.9899. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and enter that in on the screen. 0.9899. Go ahead and hit enter. And we are now set with our X diameter and our Z0 with tool 1. Now we can go ahead and start running some programs.